My name's Savannah Bartlett, and today I'm at the Build My Future at SEC, and today I was working with cement, and I gotta put some cement on bricks, and I gotta just use some tools to flatten the cement, and then there was another one where you gotta drill screws into some wood, and I did that, and it was pretty fun.
My name's Max Hartman. I'm a BHS graduate. I work for Carly Nelson as a general laborer, and right now I am working at SEC with the Build My Future event. I first got into the trades my freshman year of high school. Didn't know I'd like it. I just started as a concrete class in Mr. Krieger's class, and I went from there.
Hi, my name is Cora Rios, and I am here today at the Build My Future event. And today I've gotten to do a lot of really fun things, and there's just a lot of good experiences to learn about here. There's virtual welding stuff. There's back behind me. It's kind of hard to explain, but there's architect designing, which I'm really interested into because I want to be an author and an artist when I get older, and I'm really into designing. And today it was just a really good experience, especially since I really think about my future a lot. So I will consider a bunch of these events for my future career.
My name is Quayshawn Manning. There are tons of things to do here. There is driving simulators, cement playing, learning how to do things or potential college careers you can get. My favorite thing is a driving simulation though, because it's you're getting to drive technically. So it's been fun here to do all that. You're able to learn new things and try new things too.
My name is Elise Pettit, and I'm Aubrey Mason. One of the cool things I did was I broke a car to save somebody under a steering wheel. There's a lot of cool things that not a lot of people had opportunities to do before this. It's just good to have all these things. I know back in the day they didn't have much of these, so I'm really grateful for all the things that we got and can do.
And I think it's really showing kids at our age that we don't have to start in high school. We can start thinking about our future right now, which I think is going to help a lot of kids find better careers and things like that. So I think this is a really cool event that I think every school should go to personally.
My name is Rogan Francis. I have got to do a whole bunch of stuff. I've gotten to try out welding through a VR headset. I just got out of a driving simulator inside of a truck, a semi, to try to help with that. Then you have the exterior thing where they teach you how to build the houses and level the concrete, place the bricks, the foundations in the basements, all of that different stuff. So here it's just everything that you could think of in a trade, you get to practice to see if you want to do it. And that trucking thing, it was very fun. I'm definitely contemplating becoming a trucker after that.
When I was in 8th grade or 7th grade, I did not have this event, and so I think it's a good opportunity for all the kids to come in and see what it's about, see all the different trades and see everything, from carpentry to firefighting and EMS. I think it's pretty cool. It's good for all the kids to come out here and do all this, see what all the construction's about, and see whether they like it or not.
I kind of like working with cement because I kind of like the texture and the feeling of just working with cement.
Yeah, I think I'd do public safety.
I found using the drill very fun today. I've never used it before.
I found using a real wheelbarrow is really fun.
I think it's a good opportunity for other businesses to come out here and get their experience, get their name out for the kids, and for the kids to see what they do day in and day out.